Like Nastya.
Wow!
Yeah!
Did it help? Wait here.
Cuckoo!
Hello, it's just me.
I think it helped. Yay!
Great! Great!
Wait a minute. So are you scared?
Mm-mm.
The witch caught me! Daddy, help me! Daddy! Ah! Daddy! Daddy, help me! The witch caught me! Ah! It's scary, isn't it?
Mm-mm. Hey!
Are you really not scared?
Mm-mm.
Oh, really? I'll show you how scary I can be.
Ow!
Daddy! Hey, Daddy! It's me! Daddy! It's me! Daddy, it's just me!
My hiccups are gone!
Like Nastya! Huh? I need a coin! Ariel! Candy! I'm Ariel! My dad should see it!
Wow!
Daddy! Look how beautiful I am!
Well, yeah, the pajamas are nice.
Pajamas? Sorry! I'll try again! I'll be Jasmine! 25 plus 25 is 50! I'm going to Dad, fast! Daddy, 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 Daddy! Look at my dress!
Dress? Honey, are you feeling okay?
What's going on? Maybe Aurora? Look at these rings! And the dress! And these shoes! I'm so beautiful! To my dad! Faster! Daddy! Daddy! Daddy, 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 Daddy! These pajamas again!
Honey, are you sick?
I'm totally fine!
You know girls.
I'm so done with this!
Oh! Superman. 1, 2, 3, 4. $1. Wow! I'm Superman! Whoa! Nastya needs to see this. Superman! Look, I'm Superman!
Belle?
Huh? Ah! What's going on? I'm not a princess, I'm Superman! This is awful!
What a dad.
I need the Hulk! 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 Oh, I'm the Hulk! Whoa! Whoa! Let's show Nastya! Look how strong I am!
Daddy, are you Elsa?
Elsa? No, I'm the Hulk! Ah, not again!
What a funny Elsa!
Look, it's all this thing's fault!
Yeah!
Look, I'll show you. Oh no, we have pimples!
It's all because of the candies. Like Nastya. I need to buy a new mirror. Hi. Whoa. Nice. I look so ugly. Ay, 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 ay. I need to do my hair. Fantastic. Peekaboo.
Uh-oh.
Cuckoo!
Oh, no!
Oh. Daddy, come here, please.
You called, honey?
Look in this mirror. Wait here. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Give me a normal mirror, please.
Here you go.
I look so beautiful. I'll take all.
Thanks. Oof. What was that? Did you look into a broken mirror?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's bad luck!
What do I do?
We gotta do the ritual. Come on. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ooh,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
ooh, 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 ooh.
Doomba, doomba, doomba.
Phew, it's over. Take a look, Nastya. Now check this one. And look again.
Like Nastya. La 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 la. La 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 la. Mwah. Ouch! Kitty! Kitty! I'm a cat. 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 A cat. I'm 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 a cat. Meow meow. 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 Meow.
Stacy, what happened?
Meow.
What are you doing, Stacy?
I'm a cat.
First you're a mermaid, now you're a cat. You should come eat.
Meow. Ew! Yuck! Ooh! Ooh!
Huh? No, 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 no! Wait, wait, wait! What are you doing, Stacy? What are you doing? No, no, no,
I'm
no!
a cat.
What happened to you? Let's move you over here. Okay, Google, what to do if your child thinks they're a cat? Fleas?
Yeah.
It's bath time.
Meow. Meow.
Let's go, let's go.
Meow, meow. Meow.
Come on, let's go.
Meow.
For any kind of cat.
Meow, meow, meow. 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 Meow.
Sweetheart! Stacy, honey, what happened to you?
It's my cat's fault. Here, the cat scratched me.
It's a normal cat. Ah! Ouch! Ow! I'm a cat. I'm a cat.
Oh, I need to bathe you. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. Kitty, kitty.
I'm a cat. I'm a cat.
No. Here, here.
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, no, no, no. I need to bathe you faster. More.
Got any milk?
Oh,
I'm
no,
a
no,
cat.
no.
I'm a cat. I'm a cat. Oh my gosh.
Phew.
It's finally over.
Let's
go. Let's go.
Meow. Like Nastya. Daddy! Daddy!
I'm here. What's wrong?
Today, I'm a princess.
What kind of princess?
A sullen one. Bring me a dress.
Uh-huh. Huh. Here, I brought some dresses.
Pink? I can't stand pink. Blech.
All right.
Hurry up, Dad.
Here you are.
Ha ha ha. It will do.
Your crown, Your Majesty.
And now, dance!
Shh.
Stop! I'm hungry.
Got it. Here you are, princess.
You! Bleh.
Maybe you'd like chicken with eggs?
No.
How about a tuna sandwich?
You! Bleh.
Maybe a pizza?
Very well. Oh, I'm full. Hey! Bring me a prince.
Oh, get down here. I'll make you a prince. Okay. Ooh, let's go. Look, I brought you a prince.
Hello. Come here.
No. Take it back. Bye-bye.
What's wrong? I can make her laugh. This is what girls like. Hello, look what I brought.
Have you brought them for me?
Oh!
Uh-oh. No, I can't let that happen.
So, are you bringing me a dress or what?
Listen, Princess, have you done your homework? Then you'd better get started. If you're the princess, I'm a king!